this side of the engine gonna be in the front of the car. So if you guys need to replace the drive belt, you guys gonna need a half-inch drive ratchet. Make sure it's all the way in and turn it counterclockwise like that. Then you guys can pull the belt out. Remove the ratchet. To put it on, you do the tensioner first. Then go around the crankshaft pulley. AC compressor pulley, alternator pulley, and you leave the water pump to the end because we are pretending that the engine is in the vehicle. Be ready to turn the ratchet counterclockwise and ready to put the belt on the water pump pulley. Like that. Obviously, when the engine is in the vehicle, it doesn't twist. Okay, so it's more easy. Make sure the belt is sitting right on the pulleys. And you guys should be good to go.